What's up, guys? I'm back with a quick update on my 64 Ford Derby truck. So I've got my cable shifter in here. I did this the other day. I don't think I have a video up about it yet, but just put a tube in on the front, welded it in the back, and left some holes back there so I could bolt it to the back of the cab in the box. And for the shifter, I just took the linkage off of that. I went down to the tranny. That's right here. Just took it off. And I welded all this stuff in up top. And I'm probably going to run that front throttle for the first show at least until I pull everything out. Just because it's there. I don't want to take the whole thing off because it's got the fuel pump mounted and all that. It's all bolted up there and everything's just kind of tied to it. So I just kind of want to leave it on. And it also probably helps as a tranny brace just a little bit. No, probably not much, if at all, but it's that little bit that might just make or break the first show. I've also pulled this out. I have a lot more I need to do. My four-wheeler couldn't pull this out all the way, but I need to pull this forward. I'll put it up here and plate it so it doesn't do that again. And I'll pull this out a little more. Pull it down and out. Then weld the corner back up here. Because, yeah, it kind of all just tore away. And right here, I don't want it to go into the wheel at all, so I'll pull it forward, hold it back, push this back in, so it's kind of like how the other side is, just kind of make it look like how it did in the beginning. I put my roof sign on it, the one that came off of my Grand Prix. I don't know if you guys remember, or if you haven't watched those videos, go back and watch the build of that car. I believe that's it. I haven't really done anything on this. I've been working a lot, trying to get the money for that. The money that I spent on this for the postal stuff for my run. So hopefully that should be soon. And, yeah. So nothing else has really changed. Don't think I did anything else on this. Other than I maybe welded this and this since the last video. Yeah. Well, I think that'll be all for today's video. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see more of. Thanks.